Can we have some silence as we are now set to begin? The time is 11 o'clock. Welcome to Baze University, Abuja, Nigeria. Today is the Founders Day Celebration 2025. Welcome principal officers, distinguished members of faculty, and our dear students, invited guests. Please rise for the national anthem. The Vice Chancellor of Baze University. Please a round of applause for Professor Jamila Shwara. We recognize very, very specially the members of the principal management, the Deputy Vice Chancellor Academic, Professor Osita Obu. Please a round of applause for him. Deputy Vice Chancellor Administration, Dr. A.S. Dambata, also seated. The Distinguished Registrar of the University, Professor A. Adeni. Immediately after and now, so we should stand in back. That's the video of the...
Yes, students.
This university has consistently demonstrated a commitment to shaping minds, nurturing talent, and producing graduates ready to positively impact society.
Flagship programs on Arise Television, including The Morning Show and This Day Live on Sunday, and host City Talks with Ruben Abati on City 105.1 FM, further amplifying his influential voice in media and public discourse. His academic and professional impact is reinforced by his affiliations: Honorary Fellow of the Nigerian Academy of Letters, Associate Fellow of the Nigerian Institute of Internal Affairs, NIIA, Fellow of the Nigerian Institute of Management, NIM, and Fellow of the Nigerian Guild of Editors. He has also served as a Senior Research Associate at the Olusegun Obasanjo Center for African Studies, OCAS, at the National Open University of Nigeria, NOUN. Additionally, he contributes to Shaping Future Minds, Founders Day, this special day. You're welcome, sir.
Thank you very much. The Chancellor and founder of Baze University, Senator Yusuf Dati Baba Ahmed, the Vice Chancellor, Deputy Vice Chancellors, me, and academics, deans of faculties, provosts of colleges, Senate and congregation, students of this university, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, and members of the press. It is with great pleasure and a sense of gratitude that I stand before you today to deliver the 14th anniversary and first Founders Day lecture of your esteemed university. Baze University, here in Abuja, Nnamdi Azikiwe, Bafemi Awolowo, even the Sadana, Amadi Bello, all these persons, they made great impact when they were very young. When General Yakubu Gowon emerged as head of state of Nigeria, he was 32. When Obasanjo received the instrument of surrender after the fratricidal civil war in the East on January 1, 1970. How old was he? He was in his 30s. And now today in Nigeria, these are still the same major players that you have playing a role. Recently,